Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about a PHP login system with database code. Let us start. First we will create one folder XAMPP htdocs login system. Now open this folder Visual Basic. Login system. Start the XAMPP server and create database. Login system. And create one table. Okay, create table users id integer auto increment primary key and username varchar 100 length unique not null. Same password varchar 100 not null. Okay, now just go. Yes, table creation successfully completed. Now we'll check the db connection. db.php starting tag closing tag $conn is equal to new mysqli localhost username root password is empty database name login system. Okay, now we'll check the database connection. Now $conn connect error. Okay, die connection failed. Now connect error. Okay, now we'll check. Localhost login system db.php. Yes, connection successfully. Now if anything wrong in the db level, suppose any mistake in the db, will get error. Okay, now we'll create another file login.php. In this these two lines no need. Login. Now form tag action login process.php. Okay, now inside the form, input type is equal to text, same, name is equal to the username. Okay, and the placeholder is equal to username, and required, that means to validate it, validate the input box, br tag. Now same input type is equal to password, same name is equal to password, and placeholder is equal to password, same required. Okay, same br tag. Now button, login button, type is equal to same, submit. Okay, so now close. Now we'll check this one. Login.php, yes. Okay, username, password, login. Okay, before that on HTTP tag, login system. Yes, one BR. Okay, okay. Now we'll create another file, login underline process. In this same PHP tag, close, and session underline start. Okay, now include db.php, that means to add a db connection. Now is set, if is set dollar underline post username. Okay, and same is set dollar underline post password. Okay, now okay, now dollar username is equal to trim function, that means to avoid empty values, empty entries, dollar underline post username. Okay, now same password is equal to trim dollar underline post password. Now dollar $stmt is equal to dollar $conn prepare the default function. Select id comma password from users where username is equal to question mark. Okay. Now $stmt bind this one is the function $s is equal to, that means a string, to enter string values, username $stmt, same $stmt execute. Now $stmt store result. Okay. If there is something error, okay, if $stmt num rows, that means to check the number of rows greater than 0, okay, then $stmt bind result $id $hash password. Okay. Now $stmt to fetch the data. Next, if password verify password and $hash password. Okay. Now to check the sessions, $_session user ID is equal to $id, same $_session username is equal to $username. Okay. Then header function location dashboard.php, then exit. Okay. Else echo invalid password. Now else echo user not found. Okay. Now we'll check. Now we'll create another dashboard.php. Dashboard.php. In this same open tag and session start if dollar if is set not equal to is set dollar underline session user ID. Okay, then header. Okay, login.php. Exit. Okay, then is to tag, otherwise welcome dot php tag. Okay, and close the php tag. Echo dollar underline session username. Okay, now h2 tag, close the h2 tag. Then there is a anchor tag, logout.php. Logout. Okay, now we'll create one logout. Okay, in this php tag open and close same session start and session destroy. That means to delete the session. Same header location login.php. Okay, exit. Now to enter the database dummy data, we'll enter the dummy data. Insert admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 same Shiva 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I entered two dummy data. Now we'll check some password is hashing. User cannot enter the db password. Password hashing, how to hashing the password. Password.php. Now php open tag and close tag. In this include db.php $result $cynn query select id password from users while $row is equal to $result fetch okay $new hash password hash $row okay and then password hash okay password default yes now $cynn is equal to query $cynn query this one is to update the password hash update users set password is equal to dollar new hash okay now where id is equal to $row where id is equal to $row $row id okay now echo all passwords updated successfully okay now we'll check okay before that password is 123456 so after the execution of password.php will change the password credentials so that means user only know the password admin also don't know the password when I enter the user registration At that time will generate the hash automatically. Okay, now we'll check this one. We cannot enter the dashboard directly. Now we'll check. We cannot enter the dashboard. Dashboard.php. Yes. So we cannot enter the dashboard directly. Now we'll check. Now before that, to generate the password. Password.php. Yes, all passwords updated successfully. Now we'll check. Yes, as password generation successfully completed. Now we'll check to enter the login system. Yes, login system. Admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is something error. Okay, login process. Save. Dashboard also save. Logout also save. Now we'll check. Method is equal to login system. Here method is equal to post. Now we'll check. One, two, three, four, five, six. I'll delete this one. Cache memory. Method is equal to post. Save. Now we'll check. Login.php. Yes. Admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. Now it is working fine. Logout. Logout, there is something error. Logout.php. We'll see. Okay. Session destroy. Spelling mistake. Okay. DES TROY DES TROY. Yes. Now we'll check. So we cannot enter the directly dashboard.php. Yes. We'll check again. Shiva 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. Login successfully. Now the benefit it is secure password hashing and SQL injection safe and session based login. Okay, thank you.